In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Renderforest. Whether you're creating videos, logos, mockups, or websites, upgrading gives you access to higher quality exports, more resources, and professional features that help your projects look polished. I'll keep this simple and clear, and along the way I'll share tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by logging into Renderforest. Open your browser and head to the official Renderforest website, then sign in using your existing account. Make sure you're on the correct account you want to upgrade, especially if you manage more than one. For the smoothest experience, use a modern desktop browser, keep pop-up blockers off for this site, and ensure your internet connection is stable. If the page seems slow or doesn't load the dashboard correctly, a quick refresh can help. Once you're logged in, you should land on your dashboard or homepage where project options and account controls are visible. Next, click on the Upgrade button on the upper right. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the top right corner of the screen, near your profile icon or account menu. It's clearly labeled and designed to stand out, so it should be easy to spot. If you're browsing on a smaller screen or mobile, the upgrade option may appear inside a menu icon in the same area. If you don't see it, double check that you're signed in. Also note that if your account is already on a paid plan, the label or placement might look slightly different. Now select the plan you want. This will take you to the pricing or plans page where each option outlines its benefits. Take a moment to compare what matters for your workflow. Export quality, the number of projects or renders included, whether watermarks are removed, storage capacity, and any branding or commercial usage features. Plans often include both monthly and yearly billing choices. Yearly options typically offer better overall value, so review the totals carefully. You might also see regional pricing or taxes applied depending on your location, which is normal. Choose the plan that aligns with how frequently you create, the quality you need, and the scale of your projects. When you select a plan, Renderforest will guide your account toward the upgraded experience so you can take advantage of the new limits and tools right away. That's it. Log into Renderforest, click the Upgrade button on the upper right, and select the plan you want. With those steps, you're set to unlock more creative possibilities and deliver higher quality results across your projects.